Hi, good morning. I'm Indira Shah here. Today I'll be preparing thali peeth. Thali peeth is a Maharashtrian dish. For this you need 1 cup of besan, 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 cup of rice flour, and this is a mixture of jawar and ragi. Okay, now mix them all, and you need till, black or white till, anything, and this is fried groundnut powder. Okay, I've just coarsely powdered. Then you should in fact add lots of vegetables, and I mean any vegetables. I have taken onion and carrots today, and finely cut green chilies and coriander leaves. You can also use palak, methi leaves, anything like that. Now I'm going to mix this. Add required salt and make a dough. I am also adding haldi. Now make a dough adding water. The dough should be of chapati dough consistency. In case it becomes more watery, add any one of the flour, because sometimes it happens the dough becomes very runny consistency. This is mainly for the beginners, so that time you can add a little more water. I have added turmeric. When you prepare, you can add palak or even methi leaves. Here, the dough should become like this. Now I'll show you how to pat it on a tawa. I've taken a tawa. Let me just grease it. Always take an iron tawa. Iron tawa is always better for the health. Now dip your hand in the water. Here I've taken the atta, put it in the center and press like this. From the center you have to pull it to the corner and again dip your hand, otherwise the atta sticks to your hand, sticks to your fingers. So dip your finger and pull it from the center to the edge. Yes, that is how it should be made. The tawa should not be hot when you pat this. Then I'll show you how to pat it for the second time. When the tawa is hot, you cannot. So I'll just show you second time how you should do it. Now let it be little thin, not very fat. Here, pull it from the center like this. And the edges also should not be fat, should not be thick. It should be equal. So ensure that it is equal on all the sides. The thickness should be equal. This is equal. Now make a hole. The intention of making hole is for the thali peeth to get cooked equally. Now put oil on all the sides and allow it to cook. Now this side is pink in color. Now you can flip it to the other side. While flipping, be careful that the oil should not splash. Now again add a bit of oil and allow the other side to be cooked. What a lovely color, isn't it? You can add more vegetables indeed. Add palak, finely washed and cut palak, then methi leaves. You can also add moringa leaves, that is drumstick leaves. This is a very nutritious food in fact, because it has so many flours plus loads of vegetables, then till and groundnut powder. So obviously this will be healthy and tasty. If you do not have jowar flour, it's okay. You can manage with these four flours like besan, wheat flour, ragi, and the other is rice flour. Manage with these. Or if you don't have anything, besan and rice, yes, certainly you will have it at home. Prepare it with that. It's okay. Now you can see it's cooked on this side also. Now put off the gas. I'll show you with what you can eat this. Now your thali peeth is ready. You can eat it with tomato chutney or green chutney or anything. This tomato chutney was prepared by me just 4 days before. Maybe in my next video I'll just show you how to prepare tomato chutney. So thank you my dear friends for watching my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. See you again maybe in the evening. Bye then. Take care and be safe.